everybody and welcome back to my channel, and I hope that all of you are doing well and keeping safe. So today I am going to review a mascara from Nature Republic. I have already unboxed it and I have been using it from last 7 or 8 days. This is how it comes and this is the box of it. It is their Ginseng Royal Silk Mascara and it is infused with the ingredient which is really beneficial for our skin, which is ginseng. So this is it. Let me take the mascara. By the way, it comes with a free eye makeup remover and it is really amazing, I'm telling you guys. As you have seen that I have used quite a bit of it, so mostly the instructions and regarding the ingredients and all is in Korean, so I cannot read and tell you guys what they claim about the product, but let me just show you the tube and all. So this is the tube of it. It is quite simple and sleek. It is made in Korea and let me just show you the wand of it. And this is the wand. I was not expecting this wand from this mascara. I just thought it might be the regular, the round ones, but it is one of my favorite wands, which is the spiky one. And when I used this mascara for the very first time, I remembered my Benefits roller lash. Currently I am using it as mentioned earlier and I am enjoying it. It's my personal preference. I don't like mascara which gives the spidery look. This mascara does provide a really beautiful separated lash. The lashes are not clumped up, they are really nicely separated, I think because of the spiked mascara wand, and it does lengthen the lashes. It is really comfortable on my eyelashes. I don't feel it, my eyelashes are drying or whatsoever. The only thing what I have to tell you guys about this mascara is that you will have to use an eye makeup remover to nicely remove it from your lashes. So I will insert a clip over here where I am applying this mascara and how it looks. So there are so many choices in the market. There are so many mascaras in different price ranges and different claims what they do with different wands. So if you're in search of mascara with some nice ingredients, I would highly recommend this. Give this one a try. I am loving this these days and I hope that you will fall in love too. So this completes my review over here. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on to the notification. So till my next video, do take very good care of yourselves and be safe. Bye.